Hello, today I wanted to show you how I made some lap books. I've had a few people ask me how to make these, so I decided to make this video. A lap book is just a fun, hands-on way to help kids learn. I think it helps them to remember a little bit better too, because they're more engaged in making of the product. And it's fun for them to go back and review what they've made too. So the first thing you're going to need are some file folders. I'm going to make a basic lap book. I need 2 file folders, a pair of scissors and some tape, and I'm going to show you another way to use it with a glue stick. And if you want a bone folder, but that's optional. I just like to use that because it gives it nice clean creases. And the first thing you want to do is take a file folder and fold it down the center. I use my bone folder for that. Same thing to the other side. So that's one part of it. You can leave it like this if you only have a few templates that you need to put in one. But if you need more space, you can add. I'm going to show you how I add it. You take another file folder and you cut it down the middle. I like to cut off these tabs here. Open it up, and you're going to tape it on each end. So I have one here. I'm going to take a piece of tape and tape it on like that. And I'm going to turn it over and do the same thing to the other side. Sure it's centered. And tape it down. And now you have multiple pages to add your templates. You have both sides of this and that side, and the edges as well. And I'll show you a sample of one of the lap books that I've made. This is the certified to how lap book. I'm going to make another video on this one, but just to give you an idea on what I did. Now what I do for the cover, in case you ask, you can leave the edges on here. I usually cut them off. I'm going to cut them off, and then I'm going to show you how I put it on. Let me just cut these. It's up to you. You can leave it on. It's not a big deal. Let me grab a pencil. So I set this on here. I center it to where I want to see it. And I paper clip it in place. On top and bottom. And I open it up and I trace the edge of the file folder on the paper. Okay. Then I take it off and I cut down the line that I just drew. And then I'm going to take these and I'm going to glue them in place. So I'll take my glue stick. This one goes on this side. And line it up with the edge. Smooth it down. And do the same thing to the other side. If there's some corners that need a little bit extra glue, you can just add it. And that's how I make the lap book.